Alright, what's up guys? So today's video I'm going to just be showing you how I got this Vampire Diaries inspired vampire look. So if you're interested in how I got this, then just keep on watching. So first I'm starting with a clean face, it's me. And I actually forgot to put on primer, so you'll see me realize that after I put my foundation on. I'm using the Maybelline 2-in-1 Conceal and Perfect, I think it's called. It is more on the thick side, but it has really good coverage, so I appreciate that. It's kind of thick, but I like it. It's pretty good. 10 out of 10 would recommend. So I'm just putting that on my face, and I'm going in with a brush first. I'm going in with a Bare Minerals brush. Not my favorite brush. It's the only brush that I had clean. So I went in with that one, and I usually go in with a brush first, and then afterwards I go in with a sponge. So I'm just applying that all over my face. See, that's where I realized I forgot to put on primer. But it was too late, so I just decided to keep on going. But, so I'm just putting it all over my face. And then afterwards, I look like a clown, but it's cool. I usually just go in and perfect my foundation with a sponge afterwards, so you'll see me doing that right now. I was actually watching the Vampire Diaries as I was filming this, but no shame. No shame in my game. So after I blend it in and perfect it with the damp sponge, after like 25 minutes, I don't know what I was doing. I'm going in with the, what was it called? The Fit Me concealers. Just under my eyes. I don't really like go brighten anything else up. I just go under my eyes with these. And I was using the shades Light and Sand. I usually go in with both. Oh, and I do prime my eyes with it as well. And then for blending out my concealer, I use the Morphe E8. I love it. It's really good for like perfecting concealer and whatnot. And then I just go in with a sponge to perfect it even more if I feel like the brush didn't do its job. Then I'm just setting my face with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I have it in Light, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, I have it in Light. I do like it. It's not my favorite, but it's what I had, so I used it. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just going in with that all over my face, setting my under eyes. I don't know why I was so annoyed with myself. Oh, I couldn't find a brush that I wanted. I think that's why. But yeah, I'm just setting my whole face with that. And then after I set my face, I'm doing my brows because I hate how I look with no brows. So I'm doing my brows. Going in with the Anastasia Dip Brow. Okay, back to my brows. I had to. I always do that when the theme song comes on. It's like a must. This is me with my brows done. I was feeling myself. Oh, girl. And then I'm just going in with a Morphe palette. Shoot, I forgot what it's called. But I'm going in with that orangey shade there. I really like this palette, and it was like 20 bucks or something. So go to a Morphe store and pick it up. I recommend it. And it has a really big mirror. That's what I usually use. It's the Morphe 9A palette. So I'm going in with that color all up in my crease and blending it. And then I'm going in with, going in with my Morphe palette. It's one of the less popular palettes, but it does have more like cool tones in it. So that's why I was using it for this tutorial. Oops, I just dropped something. It's the Morphe 35N And I'm going in with the purple, that dark purple shade, and I went on my outer crease with that. I wanted to do a more purple look because purple like contrasts green, and that's like my eye color. So I'm just going in, doing the same to the bottom as I did the top with the orange shade and then the purple afterwards, and then I'm just blending it. I take like 2 hours blending, so that's why I split through this part. Then just taking a clean brush to perfect the outside to make like the blending seem like seamless. So that's what I'm doing there. Then I'm just gonna bronze my face. I'm going in with the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I love this bronzer, one of my favorites. I've had it forever. I should probably get a new one, but still not done with that one, even though I've used it forever. So I'm not really contouring, I'm really just bronzing up my face. Like a bronze / contour at the same time. After that, I'm going in with my Milani Luminoso. Y'all already know. It's like my favorite blush. It's like so cute. I don't put that much on, so on camera it does really get washed out. And then for highlighter, I did go in with 2. I'm going in with Ofra Highlight in So Hollywood, and also Laura Geller, Gilded Honey. So just showing you those here. So I go in with both because I'm that extra. I go in with So Hollywood first, and then Gilded Honey is a little bit more on the glittery side, so I will use it more as a topper. But I still love her. She does a great job. Then I'm going in with a liquid liner. I'm using a LA Girl liner. I don't like it. I just couldn't find my NYC liquid liner. So, because this one wasn't matte, so I was like really disappointed in it, to be honest. But I'm just lining my eyes. I didn't do a wing because I'm not good at wings. So I didn't do one. Decided against it. So I really just lined it, and then I even tried to make it matte with like an eyeshadow. It didn't work out. And then I'm just putting black eyeliner in my waterline there. And then I just went in with a Tarte mascara. Not my favorite. I honestly don't know what I was thinking here. Like, my favorite is the CoverGirl mascara. I don't know why I was even using this one. It's probably just like the first thing that I saw. But I don't even like it. Oh, it's because I didn't want to waste my other one because I was putting lashes on. That's why. Makes sense. Okay. Because I hardly put any mascara when I'm putting lashes on. So I just threw some lashes on. These are the Pure lashes I got in my BoxyCharm. Here I'm just lining my lips with the NYX liner in Brick, I think, or like burgundy. I ended up changing my lip color because I went in with this lip liner and the Maybelline Divine Wine. But I realized that I hate red as a regular lipstick, so I went in with my Milani liquid lipstick after on top, just so that it would be matte, because I don't like red lipsticks that aren't matte, and I feel like they just get all over my face. So that's Divine Wine, but I ended up taking it off. So this is me like pre-vampire, before Damon Salvatore turned me all innocent and whatnot. And then here my lighting is like getting weird. I don't know why, but now we're gonna do the vampire part. So I think at this point I already had my teeth in, to be honest. So what I was doing is I took a cooler eyeshadow, and I took the Alamar Cosmetics brushes that we got in the BoxyCharm. So I guess I do use my BoxyCharm stuff. And I did my best to make it look like veins, and it actually came out like pretty good. Kind of like little branches under the eyes, but you see me doing that here. And then they were looking, oh my gosh, that's so scary. It looked like something was behind me, but it's just the curtain. But, so I'm just doing those there. They looked kind of harsh, and so Look at me, I'm watching the Vampire Diaries. I hate myself. They looked kind of harsh, so I went in like with my finger to kind of like push them into the skin, I guess, and they looked more like they were beneath the skin instead of sitting on top. But you can also put like some face powder, like the one that's the color of your skin, like some pressed powder. Just put a little bit on top and it'll make it look like more like it's beneath the skin. So yeah, that's like a little tip with that. And then take your time with these because like you can mess up and like they'll look stupid. Like that happened to me before. But just experiment with like the veins, like how you want your veins to look. So there I'm going in with a brush to kind of lighten them so they're not so harsh. And then with my finger as well, because the heat from my finger kind of pressed in the eyeshadow a little bit more. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. And for the teeth, I just used acrylic nails and I cut them and I used denture glue to put them on my teeth, in case you're wondering. Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe.